Look at all these beautiful colors, Leo.
The local market always has the freshest ingredients.
This cinnamon smells like a cozy winter morning.
It is perfect for a sweet apple pie later.
I usually buy my spices in small plastic jars.
Freshly ground spices have a much stronger taste.
Do you think we need some hot chili peppers?
Only if you like your food very spicy, Bella.
I prefer a mild flavor with some aromatic herbs.
Then we should get some fresh basil and rosemary.
These green leaves look very healthy and vibrant.
Smell this basil. It is the soul of Italian food.
It makes me think of summer and delicious pizza.
We are making something even better than pizza tonight.
Are we going to cook some homemade pasta?
Yes, with a special creamy tomato sauce.
I never made pasta from scratch before.
It is easier than teaching English grammar, I promise.
That sounds like a fun challenge for my Saturday.
We also need some high-quality olive oil.
Why is this bottle more expensive than the others?
It is extra virgin oil, the first cold press.
It looks very golden and thick in the glass.
Good oil is the secret to a great dinner.
I trust your professional opinion, Chef Leo.
I am just a student of flavors, really.
Let's find some garlic and a few red onions.
Perfect. Our shopping bag is getting heavy.
I'm already starting to feel very hungry.
The kitchen is waiting for our creative ideas. These tomatoes are very heavy and ripe.
They are perfect for a thick and red sauce.
I like when tomatoes are sweet, not sour.
Do we need any carrots for the recipe?
Yes, carrots add a nice natural sweetness to the dish.
I will find the smallest and crunchiest ones.
What about some mushrooms for extra texture?
I love mushrooms, especially when they are fried with garlic.
Then we will add them to our grocery basket.
Look at those huge purple eggplants over there.
They are great, but maybe too much for tonight.
You are right. Let's stick to our main plan.
We need a piece of hard Parmesan cheese.
I can grate it over the pasta at the end.
That is the best part of the whole meal.
Do you like salty cheese or something milder?
For this dish, a salty and aged cheese is best.
I will go to the dairy section to find it.
I will wait here near the fresh vegetables.
Don't forget to get some black pepper too.
I have some in my kitchen cabinet at home.
Is your kitchen very big and professional?
It is small, but it has everything a cook needs.
I have many colorful plates and glass bowls.
Beautiful plates make the food taste even better.
I like to take photos of my dinner sometimes.
Today, the food will be too delicious to wait.
I'm excited to see your cooking techniques.
I'm excited to have a helpful assistant.
Let's pay for these things and go home.
Write one English word in comments. 5 people get 10 English lessons free.
What should we drink with our Italian dinner?
Something fresh and cold would be wonderful.
I can make a homemade lemonade with mint.
That sounds much better than sugary soda.
I have some fresh lemons and a bit of honey.
Honey's a great natural sweetener for drinks.
I will slice the lemons into thin yellow circles.
I can crush the mint leaves to release the aroma.
The smell is very refreshing and cooling.
Should we use still or sparkling water?
Sparkling water makes it feel like a party.
I will add some ice cubes to the glasses.
My freezer always has plenty of ice.
Do you like your drinks very cold or room temperature?
Very cold, especially when the kitchen gets warm.
The stove will be hot very soon.
I am pouring the lemon juice into the pitcher.
The color is a beautiful pale yellow.
I'll taste it to see if it needs more honey.
Is it sweet enough for your taste?
It is a bit sour, so I will add 1 spoon more.
Balance is important in drinks and in food.
Now the lemonade is absolutely perfect.
I will put the glasses on the dining table.
We can drink a little bit while we cook.
It helps me stay creative and happy.
Cooking together is a very social activity.
It is the best way to spend an evening.
Let's put on some light music in the background.
Music and food are a perfect couple. First, we need to mix the flour and the eggs.
I will make a small hole in the flour.
Use your fork to mix the eggs slowly.
The dough is very sticky on my fingers.
That is normal. Just add a little more flour.
It is becoming smooth and quite heavy.
You need to knead it for about 5 minutes.
This is like a workout for my arms.
It makes the pasta strong and delicious.
Should we let the dough rest for a while?
Yes, 15 minutes under a clean towel.
In the meantime, we can chop the vegetables.
I will start with the onions and the garlic.
I will peel the carrots and the mushrooms.
Try to cut the mushrooms into thin slices.
Like this, I'm trying to be very careful.
You were doing a great job, Bella.
The onions are making my eyes a bit watery.
That happens to everyone, even professional chefs.
I'll wash my face with some cold water.
The garlic smells amazing in the hot pan.
The oil is starting to bubble a little bit.
I'm adding the tomatoes and the herbs.
The sauce is changing color to a deep red.
I'll add a pinch of salt and black pepper.
Can I taste the sauce with a small spoon?
Of course. Tell me what you think.
It is very rich and tastes like Italy.
That is exactly what I wanted to hear.
The pasta dough is ready for the machine.